You guys, it's LingoJet, and today I'm here to teach you the second part of the place about health and different parts of the body. Before we get started, we just go down there, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification if you haven't done it. Let's go. Let's get started. The word finger in French means doigt. Doigt. Fingers are doigt in French. Doigt. Yes, that's it. Next one. Nail in French means ongle. Ongle. Ongle means nail. Ongle. Yes, that's it. Next one. Chest in French means poitrine. Poitrine. Poitrine means chest. Poitrine. Next one. Stomach in French means estomac. Stomach, estomac. Stomach, estomac. Too close. Stomach, estomac, estomac. Yes. Next one. Leg in French means jambe. Jambe. So jambe means leg. And foot in French means pied. Pied. So pied means foot. Next one. Bum in French means fesse. Fesse. So bum means fesse in French. Next one. Muscle. Muscle in French means muscle. Muscle, muscle. Muscle, muscle. Muscle, muscle. That's it. Yes. Très bien. Great. Next one. Skin in French means peau. Peau. So peau means skin. Peau. Yes. Next one. Body. Body in French means corps. Corps. Don't confuse it and mix it up with the word cœur. Cœur was heart and corps means body. Yes, great. Très bien. So now let's repeat after me and let's memorize the whole of this word together. Okay. Finger. Doigt. Doigt. Ongle. Ongle. Poitrine. Poitrine. Estomac. Estomac. Next one. Jambe. Jambe. Pied. Pied. Fesse. Fesse. Muscle. Muscle. Next one. Peau. Peau. The next one. Body. Body was corps. Corps. I forgot to teach you one more word. The word waist. Waist in French means taille. Taille. So read after me. Taille means waist. Taille. Très bien, great. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting, subscribing, and having your post notifications turned on. If you have any question, ask it there. Goodbye.